going on, y'all? Welcome back. This is gonna be my last video for a little while. It is that time again. It is deployment time. I have to go for a little bit, so I figured I would give you a different kind of style video, kind of like a walk around of the truck, everything that's done to it thus far. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you keep the channel alive while I'm gone. Keep watching videos, keep commenting. If I have signal, I would definitely reply to y'all, so make sure y'all stay safe, enjoy the summer, and as always, cheers. Maggie is a 2007 Dodge Ram 2500, the last one with the 5.9 Cummins diesel engine. She's sitting on some older style XD series 18-inch wheels wrapped with some Toyo RTs 37 by 13.5. I really love this wheel and tire setup. It gets me anywhere I need to go with no issues at all. Rough terrain, street, you name it, it gets me through everything. As far as stopping power, I have the Power Stop Extreme C36 brake kit on all fours. Pretty happy with it, no issues at all. She's sitting high on a 6-inch lift kit. It's the 6-inch Easy Ride from Tough Country. I really have nothing really positive to say other than looks. It does ride pretty rough, and it needs to be replaced because my rear shocks are pretty much blown out. On the back, newly added, I have the Banks differential cover. No issues with that. I recently redid the entire front end with some Carly ball joints, Carly track bar, and the 6-inch drop bracket to accommodate my lift. And then I threw in the Carly low mount steering stabilizer. I also upgraded the steering to the 4th gen style steering, and then I just rattle canned my sway bar just to make it look cool. When I first got the truck, the first thing I did was upgrade the steering box to a Borgeson 6-bolt. It's a big box. And then I paired it with this rusty Borgeson shaft that I completely failed to paint before I installed it. Right underneath here we got this 5-inch straight pipe with the 6-inch RBP exhaust tip. I also have a Mag High Tech deep ditch pan. Inside the transmission there's a BD transducer upgrade kit and a Suncoast upgraded pressure solenoid. Going on in the exterior, I have a color match grill with the Sealcraft grill inserts from Amazon and the eBay Cummins badge. I put HIDs on the fog lights because I wanted the fog lights to be brighter than my headlights so I didn't blind people on the road. The headlights are some black housing smoked headlights from Amazon. I did put some LED headlights in there though. The truck has these fender flares that came with them. I believe they are Stampede Rough Riders. They do really help with the throwing rocks and everything all over the paint. Inside the 8-foot bed we have this Delta Champion toolbox. Even with the toolbox in there, I can easily fit my 4-wheeler in there, which is something I really enjoy doing. Right below the 3rd brake light we have this sweet America sticker. That's at least 20 horsepower. And on the back we have these LED lights that I wired to the reverse lights, so every time I put it in reverse they turn on. For fuel upgrades I have the Fleece dual in-tank lift pump, a dual fuel filter kit that I got from dieselfuelfilterkits.com, and I deleted the stock fuel filter. Those 3 things by themselves really improve the acceleration of the truck. I really love it. I got no issues at all with those 3. Inside the engine bay I have the AFE intake, Optima batteries. I have a Steed-Speed exhaust manifold that I installed just because I wanted to experiment with that combined with the stock turbo, see if there was any difference, and there is. I have the Fleece coolant bypass kit, the Quadzilla boost fooler, and everything's tuned to Smarty Jr. that I can control through my CTS2 that I also use to monitor everything for the truck. The CTS2 is mounted on an SRT10 A-pillar pod. I also have IFG head studs and 103-pound Hamilton springs and extreme duty push rods. Only one of these gauges work, which is the boost gauge. The trans temp and the parameter I'm monitoring through the CTS2. On the inside we have WeatherTech mats front and back, which keeps the dirt out at least a little bit, and some Carhartt seat covers for front and back. I do have the Edge reverse camera, which only works in the summer. When it gets cold and during winter time, it really doesn't work at all. So if this thing breaks, I really probably won't be buying another one. And finally, the truck has some amp research steps that my short ass needs to get in the truck. Alright, that's pretty much it. I probably forgot a couple things, but there's a lot more to come, so please stay tuned and follow the bill. Thanks for watching.